is Annika, one of the creative team member from NBK-Design. The products you will see in this video were received free of charge as part of my free creative teamwork for NBK-Design. We create our calendar for 2019 and we are still in March. And I already shown you how you can change the color of these words here. Let's zoom in so you can see what I mean. This cyan words or this red numbers. Remember, you can do this with the color range. If you select the layer and then you can choose color range, or I prefer the this way, image adjustments and replace color. You can see this in the February video, and today we create the March, and I will use the March collection over the rainbow, and I like this cardboard papers, and we'll start with this one. So something like this. And for this sheet I will again only use word art, because we have beautiful word arts here, and I think this is a good statement. And I will apply a style on this word art. So we have different style packs here. For example, this style edge styles, and I already installed the edge rainbow. Just double click and go to your styles, or go to these lines here and load styles. And now you can try the different styles, and I think I like this one. So you can see your layer with the word art now have this adjustments, and you can go into every adjustment and edit this in your way. For example, double click on stroke and your layer style window opens, and now you can change the size or the opacity, whatever you want. Or let's go to the bevel and emboss, double click, your layer style window opens, and you can edit the depth, the technique, or whatever you want. Okay, and then let's have a look what we have in the artsy bits and pieces pack, and I will use this one, put it behind my word art, and I will minimize this a little bit, something like this. And I think this time the colors for me, for the words here in the calendar sheet, are okay for me, because they have this blue like in the word art, and we have this rainbows here, and I will use this. Okay, and we have so much beautiful doodles and brushes in this collection, so you can just have a look and find what you prefer. And I think this is fine. I will not add much more, and perhaps a little bit of brushes, but I think you got an inspiration, and thanks for watching, and see you. Bye.